Hi, my name is Joanna from Joanne's Once Upon a Dream, and today I'm going to show you how to make this tulle balloon with name and bow and stand. So in my kits at Joanne's Once Upon a Dream, you can find this balloon, and it will come with the kit. So all you need to do is just put it together. It's just a plastic tube here. You put it together like this. Very easy. The most weight that you can put on the balloon, or the biggest balloon that you can put on this, is probably an 18-inch. If you can see over here, you can do a really big one, which is 36 inches, but it flops over. So I wouldn't do anything bigger than probably like an 18, or if you want to go a little bit bigger, you can do a 24, but I wouldn't do anything bigger than an 18. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna inflate the balloon. So your kit will also come with a balloon here that you can inflate. You just need to stretch it out a little bit. What you need to do is, oops. You'll open the little outlet here. You need a pump. Blow it up with your pump until you get to about 16 to 18 inches. You can also do it with a hand pump here. Same thing. You just put it in here and inflate. Like so. And you just keep going. This will go away once it gets bigger here. The way to tie this balloon is you need to pull it really tight. You need to turn it several times. And then you need to tie like a regular latex balloon. Once you tie it, you need to pull it tight to prevent any air from escaping. Once you have your balloon set, this is what it's gonna look like here. So this kit also comes with the name, of course. So just look for the middle, and this is about the middle. Make sure that you have the inlet pointing towards you and that the seams are right in the middle, okay? Then you're gonna peel your stamp, your custom name stamp. And in my kits, you when you order them off the Etsy site, you can put whatever you'd like as long as it fits in about a I think this one is 5 by 12. So as long as it fits in that area, you can grab whatever you'd like. So kind of just eyeball it and center it. And apply like so. So you could either use a credit card to just kind of go over it. I have a little wedge over here that I use on mine. Just go over the clear tape. Do not go on the balloon because you will pop it. All right, I think that'll be good. All right, so how you're gonna remove the clear tape is that you're gonna grab a corner. Corners are better. If you grab it from the middle, it's gonna be harder, but corners are better here. And just tear it slightly. And if this decal comes back with the clear balloon, just put it back and go over it again. Otherwise, just keep pulling gently. And as you can see, it's nice, sleek, and very easy to do. How to put it on here is you're gonna take your little balloon cup. You're gonna put the balloon inlet through here. And then you're just gonna twist it around and put it in that little hook there. So you're just gonna twist it around and put it in the hook. and it's all done. You're gonna put it on your balloon. To make it secure, you can hot glue this onto here, as well as you can hot glue that onto there as well so it doesn't fall off. Otherwise, if you want to reuse them, I would use them as they are. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put this tulle over it. And usually I put something heavy on here so it doesn't tip over. Just trying to see what I can put on here. All right, so when you order this kit, again, it'll also come with the tulle. I will send 2 yards of tulle. So you're just gonna open it up completely. And this glitter tulle does get everywhere, so be careful. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put the tulle over the balloon. You're gonna let it drape evenly. Make sure it's even on all sides. And this tulle is only meant for balloons that are 18 inches or smaller. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. So if you're gonna use them with my kits, do not inflate them more than 18 inches or it will not look like that. You will be missing tulle. You won't have enough tulle. But if you're just gonna order these and use your own balloon and buy your own tulle, then make sure that you have more than 2 yards if you're going to use a bigger balloon. All right, so the next thing what you're gonna do is you're going to gather all the tulle evenly. Once you gather your tulle and you're happy with how it looks, we're gonna use a 260 balloon, or you can use whatever you like to hold it together. All right, so you're gonna wrap a 260 balloon around to hold it together. And just tie it. You can tie it just once because it's not going to go anywhere. That's why I like to use the 260 balloons, because you don't have to do much with them. All right, there's your balloon. So you could either leave the balloon how it is, the tulle, I mean. You can leave the tulle how it is, or you can trim it so it could look nice and straight. So the way you do that is you're going to pull all your tulle down. Pull all your tulle, gather it down here, and then grab the length that you want to leave it at. So I'm going to leave it longer. So I'm going to cut it around right there. You're going to cut it all at once. That way when you let it go, it will all be one length. And then just kind of separate it. And then if you feel it's uneven, just go back and repeat it. All right. Then grab whatever you're going to use as your ribbon or your bow. And just tie it across. And you can make a simple knot. Doesn't have to be a tight knot because this tool just grabs onto anything, so. And there you have it. So another thing you can do to, it will stay on the table. Has glitter everywhere, but it will stay on the table without anything. But if you want to make it more secure, I would grab like the glue dots and put one underneath and put it on the table wherever you're going to put it, just to have a little extra support. Or if you have those double tape glues, you can put that on the bottom as well and put it on wherever you're going to put it on so it can stay still as well and it won't move. Otherwise, it'll stand still if you use anything lower than 18-inch balloon. It'll stay on the table like so. And there you have it. Again, you can order these at joannesonceuponadream.com, or you can go on Etsy at Joanne's Once Upon a Dream, and they will be there. Thank you.